You probably remember I made 2 of these a long time ago, and before you hit the MB button, I mean the the dislike button, what I did is I based this on a magazine picture I found online, and I clearly say it's a green Gordon. I never say it's a GNR or LNER Gordon. So anyways, the idea just was to make some different content. So anyways, so now that I have this done, and I have the other one done right here, as you can see. Remember, I couldn't find apple green spray paint, so anyways, I just did with whatever closest paint I found on my store, because I use spray paint. I don't like to use much of the what's the acrylic paint. I'm not really good in acrylic paints, and I like better the the spray paint. So anyways, I don't know if you guys like now that we have the GNR letter here, and some might like it and some might not like it. Why? Because some people just watch GNR or have a reference that Gordon was GNR model, and others might have the reference that they say it's LNER and blah blah blah. So anyways, it's the same thing. I mean, the same model, and I just painted over on green, close to green apple green, and I did not paint anything on these wheels. On this other model, yes, I did, and I did it looks even. So this one looks a little weird, so I just swapped the wheels from model Henry right there, and the stickers are exact color from regular Henry. From Trackmaster first models is the same color, the stickers are the same color, and you can see right here the difference. This one is my printer didn't enrich the color or enhance the color, and it came out really bad. It's not as I expected, but this one is a little greener. See, I mean light green, like the wheels, close, it's not exactly the same. But anyways, I haven't painted the windows here. I gotta find out if they should be yellow or black, or I just leave it as it is. So what do you guys think? And some will say, oh no, the footplate should be gray or should be black, but it's optional, it's your choice. I show you the way I did it, or the way I have it here. It's not necessarily a representation of your ideas. It's a representation or transferring the ideas I found online. And don't take me wrong, I'm just doing this for the rest, not for those only 5 haters. Don't take me wrong, just for 5 haters. No, I'm not doing this for 5 haters. I'm doing for the rest, because there are 22,000 subscribers or so, and I do this for them, and also for other communities. And this is what I like. Don't take me wrong, it's nothing personal. But I know haters love to hate because they want to be or do what I can do. But I think you haters will love it. Try to do something, because I'm trying to watch your videos and you guys don't have anything for the haters. They don't have anything similar. They haven't tried anything. And anyways, let's forget about the haters. I just wanna. So what do you guys think about this? If you guys like it, leave a comment. If not, also leave a comment. And I'm gonna finish the other one soon, So I'm just trying to give an update on this. I was kind of overwhelming on fix and repair, so I'm just giving a little bit of break, because it doesn't let me you know, fixing models, and it doesn't let me keep making customs, and I would like to finish the customs I have. So I hope you understand. For those who already send me models, please be patient. It's gonna take me time. I'm trying to speed up everything and get it done soon. It's not that I don't want to finish it, and I'm sending models every week to the owners, because I'm kind of finishing everything up. So here's the other one. Is halfway. Let me know in the comments if I should paint these windows. As you can see right here, this is not painted, and this one is black, because I took the reference from the magazine picture. And the other one is not painted. I don't know if it should be yellow. What do you guys think? I don't know. Yellow or not yellow? Yellow or not yellow? Or is it black? So anyways, on the next video or previous video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this. See this right here, these little, I don't know, pins, whatever you call it. I painted with a single marker, and it looks like it was done by a machine, but it's not. I will show you a good trick. Actually, it's gonna be a tips and tricks video. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do it right now and give you a demonstration how to get this done. Because I used to just paint it like, you know, like this. Use the every side, painted very careful, but it was over the time that I figured out a way to get this done in a single stroke. Just really easy to paint. Anyways, so that's for another video. So what do you guys think about this? I hope you guys like it, and understand I did not paint the wheels. I just swapped the wheels from Henry, and I couldn't find an apple green paint for this model. I'm limited here. My local stores, they don't carry these apple green colors, so it kind of looks a little weird, but it's not bad actually. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I will try to upload more videos. All right, thank you.